Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All of these dimensions are given in millimeters. Okay, then again yeah, the file, new part drawing. Okay, then this I'm going to initiate this drawing by selecting the front elevation for first sketch. Then the 4380, the front elevation, make it normal. Sketch center rectangle, dimension 43, then this dimension 80, then 12 as a line, then first of all I'm going to draw the vertical center line, then what are the dimensions? 36. Then this dimension is equal okay, then I'm going to mirror this drew line around this vertical center line, the mirror about this line. Okay, then we are ready to extrude this feature. Select the extrude, then select these contours, two contours, then select the two direction. Then for one direction 18, for second direction 18. Okay, then you can see there's a groove. So then I'm going to create that one by creating the right plane, by selecting the right plane, then make it normal, then sketch, first draw the vertical center line, final length, center rectangle, this groove width is equal 12, then this height from the bottom, that is equal 34, this side is equal 34. Okay, extrude cut feature, extrude cut. Okay, through all, the direction 2 through all. Okay, this is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks.